Today I installed some more of these polystyrene wraps, I'll call them, the side panels. It's a mucky, messy job, but it's not as bad as I kind of thought it might be. Every step I take is a sloppy mess. I've got a number here to do yet. I've run out of polystyrene pieces and I've nearly run out of screws and washers. We're going to pick up more of those later today. We can maybe do some more of this tomorrow. Here's a little nuke that I kind of just scabbed together pieces. I hadn't cut these specifically for this box, but this will help out this nuke. And I also have a nuke over here. I did the same thing. Those are actually the follower boards that I made. I've got more than I need. That nuke is actually doing quite well. They didn't perform last summer, but I think they've kind of got their mojo on. This one's doing well too, and there's two nukes in this wrap here that are doing well. So that's half my nukes made it. I had 8. Those 2 are dead. Those 2 are dead. Made out okay. I had about 25% loss or so, which is about the provincial average. Can't complain. I like to do better than that. I like to get it below 10%. It's hard to increase numbers if you keep losing 25% every year. So I've only increased maybe 10 or 12 colonies over last year, assuming all these live. Almost all of these I expect to do fine. There are half a dozen of these that are kind of weak. Might not make it. Have some requeening to do this year. I'm not sure if I'm going to like this management-wise. I can't even see my reducers half the time. It's hard to even tell which side of the hive the entrance is on. We had somebody come here and visit me. She's just looking for something yummy. And I'm sweet, but I'm not what you want, I don't think. It's okay that I ran out of material today. I'm ready for a break. It's getting down on my knees in the mud. Wears you out and it's really gross. Kneel down and just sink an inch or 2 into the mud. That's no fun. Or kneel down in the water. I've done that a few times. Look at that 4 feet of snow over there. We've got a ways to go. Fortunately, that snow is downhill from the apiary. But there's plenty of snow uphill, so it's going to be a mess here for a while. I need to do some landscaping in here to help the drainage. That's all from the apiary today. Monday we pick up some syrup. Maybe get some pails on. Not sure I'll need to use those sugar cakes, but you never know what the weather is going to be. You know, if the weather is cold and the girls need food, then you need to use the sugar cakes. If I don't use them, it's fine because they just get thrown in a bucket and mixed up and they make syrup just fine. So if the girls will just take syrup pails, then that's kind of the easiest thing to do. If I use sugar cakes, then I need to get the feeding shims out, put those up, etc., etc. And syrup is better anyway, I think. You can see the stacks of dead outs here. Stack there, stack there, stack over there. So there's quite a few dead, but there's 22 I think it was. 22 and 4 nukes. But like I say, the rest look happy. Look at them. Having a grand old time. And they are about to cover this beautiful blue polystyrene with poop. They are. But that's okay. They've been holding it a long time. So everybody have fun.